Next question. For Pesach, are we obligated to throw out everything that contains chametz? How about things like medicine, mouthwash, and dish detergent?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's a very good question. We're not obligated to throw out anything. So the procedure that we use is actually to sell to a non-Jew all of these things, right? And how do you sell? Through a rabbi, through a local rabbi. They usually order on the internet. You can sell, right? So they take up applications and they give to non-Jew. Of course, you give some money, right? And you can keep, just put it like separate somewhere, lock it somewhere. About mouthwash, you have to check that there is a book that is is updated every year. I have a copy from last year, I think, right? Last year or a year before, and there is a list. It's actually they sell it in old Jewish store. It's a rabbi from New York. He's actually took over after his father, and he has details things what contains chametz and what does not. Right, so many things that even without kosher stamp, right, or with a kosher stamp, they don't have chametz. For example, we have a toothpaste, and we for many years we were buying like special kosher Pesach toothpaste, which is disgusting. I don't know how they even charge money for that. And then we found out that our paste, toothpaste and mouthwash that we use during the year, it's actually 100% kosher Pesach from that book. So he actually asked them. He writes to all of this customer support, consumer affairs departments, and they are allowed to disclose the formula, the chemical formula, what's going. Of course, they know that he represents like kosher authorities, and there's no problem. So I mean, he just looking through these elements and see if there's a chametz. Even it's a derived chametz, it's not chametz. Chametz is like bread is chametz. So all of this in this mouthwash is not chametz, right? So but we trying to go stringently, and in the same in what you call this cosmetics also. Of course, we stay away from this, and in many creams they also have wheat, right, for thickening, for sure, right, and other things. So we have to check what is allowed to use on Pesach, what is not. On OU kosher, there is a list of the things that they approve for Pesach, and also cosmetics. But this rabbi has a complete list. I mean, I don't know, complete. It's not like all the cosmetics, all of the mouthwash, but he have an extensive list, and he actually started last year or 2 years ago. I don't remember, but he started offering this as an application online. I think maybe it's even better. So you just buy this application like every year, of course. I mean, has to make money for all of this amazing work. So maybe, I don't know, $15. I don't know how much is $10, $12. I don't know how much is you pay for application. The book is like $17 or so. And there are many other useful information as well about the Pesach, all of this. But and plus all of the other products that contain chametz. Okay. But for example, when we got this book a few years ago, so we find out that our mouthwash, kosher Pesach, toothpaste, and also what is it, dishwash, right? Liquid. Dishwasher liquid is also kosher Pesach. We were buying special kosher Pesach. Also, I don't know how they have audacity to charge money for that. It's it does not wash. It says dishwasher liquid, but it does not wash. Okay. and many other things. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.